know, if you told me this morning, right, lad, drive up from Nottingham, we'll straight car, think it's shit, peel it off, and we'll be sat here with our hands in our shoes, leaning over a Soarer with the 2JZ under the bonnet. Gonna draw a cock on it. Well, luckily your boy bought about 5 litre of fucking paint thinners.
Good morning everybody. It's a very special day for a couple of things. One, because we are now allowed to see one person if we're outside and 2 meters away. So say hello to everyone. Jesse! You're gonna have to shout because you're 2 meters away.
Alright, yo! How have you been?
I'm very well, very skinny, lost a lot of weight. How about you?
Put it on.
Put it on.
Yeah.
And the second thing is because I have always wanted to do this to a car. And what better car to do this to than the shit Soarer, the shit box itself. Now I was in a predicament. I wanted to do something mad. It was either A, spray paint it, but that's a lot of prep, a lot of waiting, and a lot of money. And someone else is doing it at the minute and everyone said I would have copied that person. And 2, I was going to wrap it. But I didn't want to wrap it because wrapping's been done and it's going to be really difficult on my own. So what else is there? Plastidip. I googled Plastidip, Facebooked it, and there was a guy selling not 1 cans, 130 cans, and he wanted them all gone. So what did I do? Bought them all for a banging deal. So we got multiple colours, and what we're going to do with the Plastidip, we're going to make people talk. We're going to do something. We're going to copy a very famous car, and I'm sure halfway through you'll be able to realise what that was. So let's go and get 108 cans, sorry. Let's go and get 108 cans of Plastidip and let's start. Sorry, I'm way overexposed right now. Jesse's here. We've already started We've already just started. We're not even going to properly sand it. We just got some Scotch-Brite Scotch Pad. We're just flogging it down so it sticks a little bit better. And we're just gonna sand it. Right, we've masked a little bit. Now the good thing about plastic is you don't really need to mask perfectly. We did do this whole window, but we've just decided what's the point? As long as we just mask the edge, we should get a nice clean edge with the plastic and we should just be able to peel it off the window or just get some, and then we can just rub it off. Best it'll come off glass dead easy.
And we're getting bored of masking.
We're getting fucking bored, mate. Let's just send it. Don't get a body because I'm skinny. Put it up. I've lost a lot of weight. Put it up. Cool.
Oh my god. Oh shit, you literally have got like 100 cans.
So the main thing, boys, you know we're doing the camo on one side. So there's the camo, right? So obviously you've got 3 different types of camo and you can either just spray it in and blend it together or actually mask it off and do patches, which we're not sure we're going to do. So what do we do? We've got pinks, pearlizers, metalizers, like a bit of a flake.
Pink camo.
Pink camo.
I say we do the old car pink and then put camo on top of it.
Shut up, really. We've got more than enough to do. Oh yes, more pink.
More pink. Okay. I mean, it's the first colour that caught my eye, like.
So we're not copying Xavier's car anymore then?
Yeah, it was Xavier's that we were going to copy.
We was going to copy Xavier's, so we've got the camo. So are we just going to... Jesus Christ. That camo, because there's 3 camos, and then the other side pink.
Or that.
Did you 2 minutes?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Do you know when you say camo?
Yeah.
What colour is going to be the base though? Or
it doesn't matter. Well, some people on, I've seen different things. I've seen people on YouTube just literally just go next to each other and then it just blends in.
And that's the whole colour. That's
the whole colour, yeah.
Right.
Or you can do like a full base,
like blotches, patches, kind, like a cow kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it'll be funny just doing 3 different colours next to each other.
Fucking there, yeah.
Should we just do that?
You could peel it off anyway if we don't like it.
So should we put a line down the middle, do half and half, do the camo on one half of the car, and then see what colour we want to do it, or should we do the whole fucking thing camo?
I think the line down the middle, we're going to end up scrubbing up on that.
I think we mask off down the middle.
Yeah.
And we just do that camo. I think it'd be funny.
Let's just do it.
And then maybe put the other side orange. But we're doing it camo.
Mate, it's going to look like a fucking ice cream van or something.
You tell me where the middle is.
Oh, we're just going for it. Not going
to. Are we going to bother finding a tape measure? What do you think? If I put it in line with that?
Yeah, just geeze it here. Don't fuck me off.
Hang on.
Hold on, how are we going to pass this to each other 2 metres apart?
Well, I'll just do it. Because mate, that's not straight.
Is it not? I was looking for a camera.
Right, what we're going to do is Now you would think that you would have to do one base coat and then mask off a little camel bit. We're not going to do that. I've seen a guy on YouTube and he literally just overlays it next to each other and it blends in as camel, and it actually looks really good. Now we've been debating this for way too long now.
Let's just do it.
We're just going to send it.
I think the only worry we've got
car,
is if we run out of paint, but there is quite a few.
We'll concentrate one half the car.
Yeah.
And if we run out, we'll just do the car fucking pink or some shit.
Let's just do it, go on.
Let's just do it.
It's going to be funny as fuck, isn't it, really? Oh my god, is that a gun?
Yeah, I got a little gun, yeah.
That's the most professional thing about this video, I think.
I've only got one bin bag, so we have to share it around. What the fuck, mate?
Hey, what the fuck, man?
One thing is good from quality.
I'll do it with the camera, shall I?
Why am I nervous?
I know, it's weird, isn't it? Oh well.
Really light coat at first. But Jesse's just dual wielding. Akimbo pistols or Warzone, what do you mean?
24/7, bro, what do you mean?
So this is where we're up to. We started on the right, it looks a bit like a cow, but we're going to change that. It's the first coat, it's fine. And we started getting a hang on the front bumper, so we found out that it's best to actually get two lines and then fill it in, and then same. So the front's gonna, I think, it's gonna look a lot better because we've kind of had some sort of designs on the front.
It does look really good. I don't know how it's coming across on camera, but in person it looks kind of sick, to be fair.
We're gonna get the greens and just go over it all and add some more patches, so it just looks a bit two-dimensional at the minute. Once we've got some greens, and we can fade it all in,
yeah,
it'll look quite good. So quickly, if you do want something, you want to try it, message me. I'm selling all, well, not all of them, whatever we don't use, I'm going to be selling them. They're like £12 on eBay, so I'll let you have for like £4 a can. So they're actually like, they're brand new from Plastidip.
Yeah, real and everything.
Yeah, they're actual proper cans. Right, cheeky little update, this is where we're up to. It looks terrible on the camera because it's so overexposed, but this is where we're up to. Actually, it looks, I think it's getting better and better as we're getting on. I think once we get the lacquer on, we're probably going to put some like pink pearlizer in it or something, like just make it like glossy as anything. For once with the white, because I feel like the white actually sits the nicest, so we're going to go over once more and do all the white. And then we've actually I've got a load of metallizers. It's basically like a gloss, but it's just got like flecks inside it, like little metallic flecks, and they're like purple flecks, so we're 100% going to go over the whole car with the purple flecks. What? I don't know if the camera's picking. Oh yeah, it is just. Oh my god. That looks so good. Right, there we go. It looks a little bit patchy if it's not fully dry. We're just going over it once more with the white, but we're going to absolutely send it with this metallizer the whole car, so it looks nice and shiny. I feel like we may have put a little bit too much of the metallizer on.
Yeah, I didn't want to be able to break it to you.
Looks a bit faded now, doesn't it?
Oh well, we'll just have to slap lacquer all over it.
It looks really... I just read the card, I was like, how is this supposed to work? And in bright red it says, do not over apply.
Ah, right.
So we've over applied. We thought this was going to give us a bit of fucking...
But we fuck up, so you don't have to.
Yeah, that's the... It looks really faded now, fuck's sake. Yeah, we shouldn't have really gone with that, to be fair. It looked really good after a little coat, but after we went round like 3 times, blasting a whole fucking car with it.
Yeah, we did about 3 coats.
Yeah. Alright, so we literally put way too much of that metallizer on. Like, it's literally just made it all dull. And he's saying, should we just spray it pink? I just don't know if it's because of 2 reasons. One, the sun's going down, so it's really bright. And 2, we've been staring at it all day.
Looks sun faded now.
Yeah. We're gonna peel it off, and we're gonna spray one wing mirror like pink and stuff, just to see what it looks like on the car, because we're not happy with the way this came out, mate. But you said yeah. I said no. He went, what do you mean? What, you're voting for all the car that colour?
I mean, it stands out, doesn't it?
Yeah, it fucking will stand out, yeah. Oh no. Should we just do it?
I'd be interested to see what orange will look like.
Not got enough cans. It's been, the orange looks the best, but we've just not got enough cans. Oh man, it's the most annoying thing ever. Mate, we have to do orange. Orange looks good, man.
Looks bad, doesn't it?
Yeah, let's do it. So we're gonna peel this all off. Okay. It's got to go orange. Are we peeling it off then, yeah?
I think we have.
Right, fuck's sake. Lad, I honestly don't think I can be bothered taking all this off. Is it not? What can we do?
Right, it was satisfying, and then it's just a piss sake, isn't it?
Because it's not that thick. If we had it like 20 coats on it, would have been alright, yeah. That's it, thinking, what?
You know, if you told me this morning, right, lad, drive up from Nottingham, with a straight car, think it's shit, peel it off, and we'll be sat here with our hands in our fucking shoes, leaning over a Soarer with the 2JZ under the bonnet. You know what I mean?
We've just took it all off. Many white spirits. We had a lot of, we've got it. How long did it took us? A few hours?
4 or 5 hours to strip
4 or 5 hours to get it all off. So we've stripped it all, so now we're going to absolutely send it with the next colour. Who was...
Nah, come on, you've got to give a like.
We've done well here.
Plastidipping a whole car, stripping a whole car,
And then
in the same car again.
in one fucking day.
In one day.
Do you want to do the honours?
Of starting it.
Yeah, go on.
Shall I start on
The worst thing is we've only got 7 cans of this.
But it lays quite thick, doesn't it?
I'm picking up after our first coat. I don't even want to show the camera, mate. So first of all, we got 2 cans out of 5 that are actually working. We got them in hot water. Half the amount spraying. Jesse's adamant to get it on tonight. I didn't want to, and this is the fucking reason. Can you stop? Look at this, guys. This is absolute. This is. Oh my god! It.
It's gone from bad to worse, hasn't it? Right, it looks like what?
Come on. It looks like what? I can't do this, mate. I can't do it orange.
Green.
No. I can't do it, mate. I just can't do it. Jesse, look at it. It looks atrocious.
That didn't come from fucking Knox to Gill.
We've got 2 cans. We couldn't even do it in that colour if we wanted to because they're not working. What the fuck are we doing?
I quite like the camo. I'm joking.
I literally wish I kept it on. Jesse, what are you doing now, mate? Are we putting it purple then, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, we got purple metalizers as well. No, we're not fucking doing that again.
Can I draw a cock on it?
No. All I'm thinking about is, how can I get it back to that blue?
What blue?
The standard fucking colour.
Silver that much? Well, luckily your boy bought about 5 litre of fucking paint thinners. I like it.
Yes, I can't.
Sorry, but just imagine that going sideways into a barrier on 360.
I can't believe how much time, money and respect I've wasted today. We should have just left it camo. Right, it's about 11 o'clock. 11 hours after starting it. And we're back to the complete start where we were. It's now silver again. So, I'm gonna end this video here because I really can't be bothered going any further. But we had a good time, it was yesterday. We've learnt an experience, and that is to never ever buy Plastidip ever again. But if you want to buy some Plastidip, hit me up because I've got a lot of cans left.
Yeah, it's a really good idea.
Yeah, it's a really good idea. It's dead simple. It's dead easy to get on and off, and it looks really good. So.
Yeah, trust me, it's easy to get on and off. We've been doing it twice today, and it's back to silver.